Are you sick and tired of dealing with silt fence or straw bales for the perimeter control on your job sites? We all know the hassles of setting up the fence, the constant labor and maintenance, and finally tearing down the fence when your job's over with. There is a better way forward, and my friend Peter is going to show you the way.
This is our Silt Sock. It's a mesh material on the outside filled with wood chips of specific sizing. It is an active water filtration opposed to straw bales or silt fence, which is more of a damming device for water, letting sediment fall out. The active water filtration allows water to pass through the sock, leaving your site at a controlled rate, which causes your site to dry up a lot quicker as well. The sock is very easy to install. You simply place it on the ground, either blowing it in or coming palletized. You place it on the ground, make sure it's in good contact with the ground, and stake it in place. No trenching needed, very minimal maintenance and labor as well. The labor for installation is usually either a blower truck or a skid steer and a man to place the sock. Maintenance is very easy as well. If there's any tears or rips in the sock, you basically replace that section if the rip is too big, or you sew it up with a zip tie. The site access as well to your site with a silt sock is very beneficial, as you will be able to drive over the sock or move it out of the way if you need that site access. Removing the sock, you're able to cut the sock open, pull the mesh material away, and spread out the wood chips to biodegrade. This is our finished product for our silt sock. Our sizing for our silt sock is 8-inch, 12-inch, 18-inch, and 24-inch. We palletize the sock and ship it straight to your site.
And as far as your larger sizes or more significant quantities, we'll bring our blower truck technology right to your job site and fill the sock for you without you lifting a finger.
From us at Silt Sock.
And from my team at Organix Applied, we look forward to working with you this season.